Hi, Attorney Steve Vondran here with you today, and this segment is going to be fun with trademarks. We are going to walk you through one of our filings to cancel a trademark. This is with the Trademark Trial and Appellate Board, so we will go through it and hope you enjoy this. This is just general information, kind of give you a sense of what's going to happen when you want to attack or try to cancel somebody's trademarks. We'll go through this here. Now, one of the first things you're going to want to do is prepare a pleading, because you're going to have to, once you get through the process, you're going to have to upload a pleading which basically explains why you believe this trademark used by another company or competitor, whatever, should be canceled. So you're going to need to do what we call a petition to cancel. So there's, you have a petition to cancel, and you're going to have, we put some points and authorities, and basically stating your grounds why you believe the Trademark Appellate Board should cancel the mark. Okay, next you're going to want to log on to the Patent and Trademark website, the USPTO. If you just type USPTO into Google, it'll pop up, and find this page that talks about online trademark filings. And here, as you can see, the electronic system for trademark trials and appeals. So what we're going to do here is basically just go down to File a New Proceeding, type of filing, petition for cancellation, and we're going to put the cancellation number that we're challenging, put it in there, and go to the next screen. The next thing you will see is a page that asks you to make sure this is the right registration that you are attacking. Verify that information. Yes, indeed it is. And so we will continue to the next page. Okay, and then the next page that comes up is grounds for cancellation. And this is kind of the meat and potatoes. This sets forth all the different types of grounds that you might want to be challenging the trademark on, such as immoral or scandalous. That's what we're arguing in our case. Deceptiveness, false suggestion of a connection, so forth and so on. Fraud, abandonment, genericness. Those are some of the main ones. So we check the two that we are going to be arguing in this case and go to the next screen. And then on to the next screen, goods and services. You can see the goods and services in there in the box. And this page asks you, please indicate below which goods or services are subject to the petition for cancellation. For us, we're going to put all the goods in this class. And go to the next screen. Alright, this next page takes you to petitioner information. They basically just want to know who's petitioning. Is this company, is it an individual, etc., etc. Fill it out, press next. The next page is very simple, chance to review, add, or modify the information. So check it out, make sure you got the right information, and press next. Okay, moving on, the next screen talks about related proceedings. If the parties are involved in proceedings involving the same or similar marks, identify those proceedings below. So in fact, in our case, we do have a civil matter in federal district court that deals with the same mark. So we will put in the name and the case and the case number and the information in this box, and then we will press next. Okay, moving on here. The next page requests attorney correspondence information. That's information where if you're represented by an attorney, like me, I will put my information in here. Nice and simple, and then press the next button. Okay, just about done here. Now we get to the section we talked about at the beginning. You must attach a short and plain statement of the grounds upon which the petition for cancellation is based. So go into your hard drive, choose your file, and pull up your file so that you can explain to them why the trademark should be canceled. Okay, the next page is Certificate of Service. Our pleading indicated on the back we had a Certificate of Service in our pleading, and it also asks you here, they want to make sure you're serving the parties to this. So check the appropriate box, how they're going to be served, with a copy of your pleadings, and there you have it. Okay, the next page that comes up is just going to be one of the final pages for signature, petition for cancellation. What I want you to notice is up at the left, if you've made a mistake, if you review this page and you go, oh man, there's a mistake, I got all this way through, there are buttons up here so that you can add or modify navigation. So don't be worried if you made a mistake, you can go back and fix it. Okay, but verify all the fields here. Down at the bottom of the page, you need to put a signature. Can't file without this electronic signature here. So put it in, press next. And finally, it wouldn't be fun with trademarks if you didn't have to pay something. Madonna said in one of her songs, the best things in life are free. Not the case when it comes to the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, so you need to find a way to now pay. We're going to go by credit card and get this done. So do that, put in your information. I'm not going to show it to you here for you identity thieves out there, so we will continue on from here. Okay, so there you have it. That's kind of a general overview of how you walk through the process to file online a trademark cancellation petition. When you're done, you pay your credit card, they give you a confirmation, print that out for your records, and basically go and make sure you serve the other side. And there you have it. Law made easy. Somewhat easy. Attorney Steve, thanks. We'll talk to you again.